All right, so this is our infirmary setup. These are two 13 by 26 Monarch frames set up together to give you a 26 by 26 foot footprint. If you want to come inside, I can show you the walls that we have. We have doorways here to get inside. And inside you'll see we have with dividers in between each room. So this gives you about a 6.5 foot space in here to work around hospital bed. And also, since these tents are put together, the pitch of them come in the middle. So we have a rain gutter system here, which will shed water off to the ends via these spouts that come out the end. So you won't have any rain coming in between as you work.